Well, as a content creator, I've of course had to learn a little bit about good lighting. Having poorly lit videos is a surefire way to keep viewers from watching your content. But as a creator that focuses on plants, it's oftentimes really challenging for me to get correct lighting because plants need a lot of light. Hence, they're oftentimes by windows or out in the garden. The sun is shining bright, creating bad lighting for my videos. And over the last few hundred videos that I've produced, I've used inexpensive panel lights that really do not do the trick. So I recently invested in this awesome little light that's portable called, it's from Zhiyun. It is this really great little light that, as someone that is not technologically savvy, I was able to get this up and running in about 2 minutes right out of the box. It comes with, this is the actual light. It comes with a dampener. And it also comes with this battery pack, which is really great because I can use it wherever. I can bring it outside into my garden. I can bring it all around the house without having to be connected to the Wallien plug, which is great. But it also does have the optionality to use a Wallien plug if you don't want to use the battery. But I think it's just been super handy. And as you can see, when I'm filming things against windows where the plants look beautiful, but the lighting is just incorrect, you can see what a great difference it makes once I turn this light on. And it's been super easy to use with a click of a button, a turn of a knob. You can see just how bright it is. Now the cool thing is it has this interface on the back which allows you to make changes to the kind of lighting, the settings that you want, but you can also download the app if you want. You don't have to, which is cool. You're not forced to download an additional app. And once you're on the app, you can start messing around with all of the different settings that they have, checking out what you like, finding something that you really want for the video that you're creating. And you can also do lots of different colors if that's what you're into. And it's super easy. You can see right here, you can literally just move around on this color wheel, change the lighting just like that. But what I like most about it is whatever settings you have, when you turn it off, it will go back to that setting when you turn it back on, which is good for me. I don't have to mess with it every single time that I'm using it. Now, if I put it close to my microphone, you can hear it has a little fan to keep it cool, but it's not that loud. And it's really nice because you can just put it onto your tripod. I use this Joby tripod, and you can take it around with you wherever you want. So if you're looking for a nice, portable, easy to use light that can be battery powered, definitely check this out. And in terms of the price, relative to other small, portable, battery powered lights out there, this is definitely on the cheaper side. So great option for all of you content creators out there.